So I received a question in my inbox. By the way, if you guys aren't sending comments and questions, I'd appreciate if you send a question or a comment to sam610yt@gmail.com. And at the beginning of each video, I'm going to try and answer a question or relay a comment that you might have, whether it's something positive or inspiring or something that has to do with my channel, or if you have a question about anything you just want to ask me that you want to have an answer to. I may or may not answer that question depending on what it is, but go ahead and send an email to that email address. So this week's question is going to be from Spike TV, and he had asked who my favorite rapper is, and I'd have to say my favorite rapper would probably be Jay-Z. Would I recommend these to somebody? Hey guys, welcome to Sam610. So in this video, we are going to do an unboxing. It's been forever since I did an unboxing on this channel, and I want to do an unboxing from Five Below. So as you guys can see, I got these true wireless earbuds with power bank case, and I'm just going to go over some of the features that are included in here. This is actually supposed to be a power bank, believe it or not. I don't know if I'll be testing that part of it, but that's really cool. If these don't work out to be good, then at least you can use them for something, right? Alright, so the features on these include superior sound quality, 12 hours of playtime, auto pair instant connectivity, wireless connection, power bank charger for all your wireless devices. So like if you need this for your cell phone or to charge something else, you're supposed to be able to use this case as a charger. So I guess that could work out. It says portable charging case. You can actually charge these earbuds in this case, which is a really nice feature. Usually you can just do it with a cube that you can get with your iPhone or iPad and just use with the USB cord that this is actually supplied with. And it also says secure comfort fit. I'm really hoping that these actually fit in my ears really well. I've had nothing but bad luck with some of these earbuds that they're really big, they're really hard to stay in the ear, and they fall out. I know I've tried some of these before and they just don't stay in your ear, and they're not very comfortable, to be honest. So let's start this unboxing, guys. I am very excited. By the way, guys, I did pick these up for $8. Alright, let's get these babies open. Oh, that's so satisfying. Listen to that in the sound, guys. Oh, here we go. So right away, the cord actually fell right out. This is going to be what you're going to be using to actually charge your earbuds. So you'll use this to charge your earbuds, rather. This is actually really short. This is not long at all, guys. I'm kind of disappointed that there's not a longer cord on this, but what do you want for $8, right, guys? Alright, so these are the different types of earbuds you can actually use on these. There's different sizes in here. So here's one earbud. And let's see if we can get the other earbud out. Here is the other earbud. It looks like both of these have power switches on them, for the left and the right. So here is the power bank case. This is actually nice. This is not cheap plastic. This has got some weight to it. This is kind of nice. So let's see if we can figure out how to get this thing open. I think I have this backwards. So, oh, look at that. It's not magnetic at all. So this is just a piece of plastic that's catching another piece of plastic. So that part of it's cheap. And these would just fit right in here like this. These are actually magnetic. And I think these might actually have a charge on them already. So I'm actually going to go ahead and put these in my ear and see what these actually sound like. It looks like these are actually holding a charge so far. So if it holds a charge and I can get some sound out of them, we'll try it. And we'll give it a go, and I'll let you guys know how these sound. By the way, this did come with instructions. As you guys can see how long the instructions are. I don't know that that's really necessary to have the instructions this long. But hey, we're going to try it without the instructions. Alright guys, to get these to start working, you just have to go to your Bluetooth settings and tap on the X8 and you will see it's connected. Alright guys, well I actually got these in my ears, and I'm going to be honest with you, they don't feel that bad. They feel comfortable in my ears, but it almost sounds like you have earmuffs on. I know I say that in all of my unboxing videos, but I'm not going to lie. It's hard to hear yourself talk with these in your ears. So I'm going to give you guys a close-up to show you what they actually look like in my ears. There's one, and there's the other one. Hopefully you guys got a good shot on what that looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and just play something on YouTube. Of course, I can't play that back, unfortunately, because of copyright strikes, and I don't want to have a copyright strike on my channel. And plus, you guys could not hear that through my headphones on my video anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and cue up something in YouTube, and I'm going to let you guys know how it sounds. Alright, so let's go find some random music. And we're going to see what it sounds like with these hooked up. I'm going to fast forward here where the bass part of the song is.
Can you dig it, sucker?
I'm flexing like Booker T, wrestling resin inside of my chest like a resident testing. I'm betting your death is a definite best in the West. You know Desi be repping it.
Alright, well, I'm not going to lie to you guys. It's not in stereo. It sounds like it's in mono. It's not a stereo headphone, so I can't lie to you. There's absolutely no bass at all, and for $8 you're going to get what you're going to pay for. So would I recommend these to somebody? Probably not. So save your $8 and get something that's a little bit better. I'm sure if you guys go on Amazon you can find something a lot better than what these are. But hey, for $8, if you want to use these to do some working out or something like that, then these would probably be good for you. Or if you want to walk your dog at midnight, you know, halfway down the street or something like that, maybe you just want to throw these in if you have them charged. Or if you want to use the charging bank to actually charge another device. If you don't want to use these, then you can probably just use these as a power bank. This is a 1200 milliamp power bank that you could use. Maybe you can charge your phone about halfway. Maybe you can charge your other Airpods or earbuds that you have if you don't want to use these just for that cause. So for $8 you get maybe a good power bank, and I guess maybe out of a scale from 1 to 10 I'd probably give these about a 4. So yeah, so save your money guys. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and as always guys, later.
Can you dig it, sucker?
I'm flexing like Booker T, wrestling resin inside of my chest like a resident testing. I'm betting your death is a definite best in the West. You know Desi be repping it. Schooling them like I was Booker T, Washington dots in my mind.